Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Aztec channel ATC. Today in this video we'll be going to be creating our first very own website. Today in this video we'll be seeing how you can use hashtags to create headings and p tags to create a paragraph. So let's get started. So welcome back. Let me show my screen now. So here, as you can see, I have opened Visual Studio Code and Google Chrome. So I've already turned on the live server and pasted the URL in the Chrome. So now what I'll do is open index.html in the Visual Studio Code. Now to write a HTML code, first you need is a getting started template. So to do that, just hold shift and 1, so exclamatory mark, just press enter, and there we go. This is the boilerplate, or I think the getting started code. This is the basic code you need to get started while writing HTML code. Without this code you can't write HTML. So here is doc type HTML. That means we are using the latest version HTML5, and here are various other tags. So here the main two tags are head tag and the body tag. So how a tag works, some tags just open and close by their own, or other tags they require another tag to close the tag. So for example, let us take head tag. Here, as you can see, head is opening here and head is closing here by a slash here. But if you see this doc type HTML tag, it's opening and it's closing right away. It doesn't require a separate tag like head and a body. So now let me just explain what is head and body. So head tag is like the toolbar of your browser, and the body tag is like the main web page. So for example, as you can see, it says document at the title of the web page. So if I want to change that, I can just go into the head tag, and in the title just let me just replace it to, so today is Father's Day, let's write Happy Father's Day. So there we go. So if I just go and it says Happy Father's Day, so whatever you do in head tag, it just made changes into this toolbar of your web browser. Now let's move on to the body tag. So in this tutorial we'll be seeing how you can use H and P tags in HTML. So here let me just show you how you can use a H tag. So if you just type H here, and you get various options like H1, H2, H3 and till H6. So for example, if I choose H1 and write something inside it like hello, it just says hello. So H1 stands for heading tag. So if I just write a hello like this only in the body, it will come, but it won't come in a proper way. It would just display it without any modifying the text. If I write this in the head tag, as you can see, the HTML notices that we are trying to write a heading, so it changes the font to bold and increases the increases the font size, sorry for that. And now for example, if I want to write a heading Happy Father's Day, so there we go, and it says Happy Father's Day. But what if you want it to be a little smaller? You can do that by increasing the number from H1 to H2, and there we go, it has gone a little bit smaller now. And if I want to do, it can go up to H6. For example, if I do H4, it goes even smaller. H5, even more smaller. And for example, if you want H6, it get this much smaller. So in head tag you can go till H6 only. For example, if I just said like H7, let me just drag that. As you can see, there's no difference, but again let me just, okay, there you go. So let me just write H3, okay, H4, done, H5, H6, but no changes in H7, because as I said, it just goes to H6. H8 or H9, no difference. So it just works like that. Let me just leave it at H1 so it remains bold and easy to see. Now you wrote the heading, but you want to write about your father, the description about your father, so you can't use head tag because it's only used for heading. If you want to write a paragraph, you use a tag called p tag. So p tag, what this does is, for example, if I just close it, p tag, and if I just write my dad is the best. So yeah, my dad is the best. As you can see, it writes it in a smaller font and it does not make it bold as the hashtag. So like hashtag, it does not have like p1, p2 or p3. This is just p. So if you, for example, you're writing a paragraph, it may be a big paragraph. If you want to make in a sentence, if you want to make a word or a sentence more noticeable, so what you can do, there's a specific tag called b tag. If I just write b and place the word dad inside it, as you can see, dad gets bolder. And if I want to make it, for example, if I want to change the font, there's a thing called I tag. I think it stands for italic, I don't know. If I just type I and place this B and dad into it, it becomes, it changes the font and bolds it. So the I tag is changing the font and the B is bolding the word dad. So you can do that. You can do it in paragraphs if you want to make something more noticeable. So for example, you have written a very big paragraph. So there we go. I've written a very big paragraph of my dad is the best. But as you can see, I've pressed enter and I have break the line here. But HTML is ignoring the enter and writing it just in the straight line. So what if you want to do break line? So if you want to if you want to line break it, so there's a specific tag for that. So if I write, for example, BR, and as you can see, it has put it a line break. So let me just apply the BR tag to all the my dad is the best paragraph. So as you can see, I've applied the BR tags to the whole paragraph. As you can see, now the paragraph looks very neat. So that was the video. Today in this video we learned how you can use hashtag to display headings and p tags to display paragraphs, and we learned other tags like I, B and BR tags. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to click that subscribe button. Make the subscribe button gray, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.